Today I am attempting to do the impossible, which is make a vlog that is 10 minutes or less. Anyway, welcome to my channel. My name's Lucy, I run Lula Rocks. I make studio vlogs, tutorials, and normally my videos just go on and on and on because I like to chat. I can't help it, I chat. Everything I do in my life takes a long time, so I thought it might be fun to challenge myself to do 10-minute vlogs. Now, ideally I'd like to eventually move to 5-minute vlogs, but I mean, come on, baby steps. The problem is that I film way too much footage when it comes to studio vlogs, and it takes me hours and hours to edit. Like, it normally takes me a whole day to edit a vlog, and I just don't manage to get enough of them done often enough. Does that make sense? Anyway, I'm gonna try not to talk for too long. We're gonna do a 10-minute vlog, so let's go. Slight change of plans. My iPad's running out of battery and it is not registering my touch properly for some reason. Maybe it's just tired and needs a little charge. So I'm gonna go charge that and move on, do something else, and I will come back to that design later. But it's cute, right? Bye. Hold the tripod because when I let go, it's not level. It's like this. And it's probably not even that noticeable, but to me it is, and it's really bugging me. I don't know what's up with it. Anyway, don't have time to talk, Lucy. You've only got 10 minutes to do this vlog. I had to do an outfit change because it is so warm in this house today. I'm just waiting for my foil prints to cool down before I peel them. So I thought I would show you the Halloween design that I finished while the iPad was charging. So let's have a look. had to make it really dark so that you can actually see the screen. And I can't hold the tripod while I'm holding the iPad. But here is the finished design. Now I'm thinking of turning this into like a washi tape, maybe even some enamel pins. They are really cute. Two little goats in love, off they go trick-or-treating. Let me know what you think. Basically, I was supposed to do Halloween washi pins, any designs, months ago. I think it was like May. It's now like nearing the end of July, so I'm running late. I'm cutting it fine, but I had a lot of stuff going on in May and June. It's been a busy few months, and there's been a lot of feels going on. So yes, I just couldn't get in the right headspace for it at all. So finally finished that, and I think it looks really cute. But I really love your opinion on it. Let me know what you think. And now I am going to peel these foil prints for a wholesale order. I feel like holographic prints are one of my most difficult products to make. I'm really glad that someone's jet washing something outside and being really noisy whilst I was trying to do some ASMR peeling for you. Anyway, yes, they're really difficult to make, especially the black card. I'm just gonna let go of the tripod because I think I'm making it worse by wobbling. Yeah, the black card gives like a distressed look, which I'm really clear about on all of my listings for them, is that they are distressed. So like, you're not gonna get a perfect finish, and that's kind of the point of it. It's like a vintage distressed type look. But sometimes it's too much and I'm not happy with the print, so I will be remaking a few of those before they go to my wholesale customer. Unfortunately, it almost, I'd say I probably end up remaking 25 to 50% of the foil prints, especially when they are on the black card. The white card is pretty much fine. I probably have to remake like 10% of them. But yeah, so foil prints is definitely one of the hardest things to do, just because I just have to remake them so much, and maybe it's me being too much of a perfectionist, I don't know. I still haven't found the perfect card, either black or white, to make the perfect print basically. So yeah, I am gonna start remaking some of those, and I am gonna, oh, and now it's gone dark. Who knows if I'll actually manage to keep it under 10 minutes. I mean, maybe it'll be so short it'll be under 5 minutes. I don't know until I start editing it. I may hate the process. It might even take me longer than normal because I've got so much to cut out. I don't know. So I'm not sure whether I'll carry this on, but if I do, then the next studio vlog will also be a 10-minute challenge. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be back soon for more studio vlogs and tutorials. Bye for now.